About a year ago, I made the decision that I wanted to do a renovation in my condo, and I knew that I was going to be living here for at least another 20 years. So investing in my space was really important. So I went online and I started investigating different companies, and when I came across Sosna, and I literally went from beginning to end through their website, I was very impressed and very interested in reaching out to have them come and do a quotation for me. After meeting with Andre and talking to him about his process, I was convinced that it was the right organization for me to actually work with. The design team, led by Olga, were very understanding and provided me with recommendations that I could not have thought of and am so impressed with. I've lived in this space now for almost 6 months, and I'm still smile and still very happy. I was so thoroughly impressed with not only the cleanliness, the speed, the care and consideration given to my neighbors within the condominium. They barely knew within the condo that work was being done. They cleaned up after themselves. I was just constantly being told how amazing the Sosna team was. When it came to the budget, I probably didn't have a realistic budget to start, but I understood and appreciated what it cost to get things done. When we did settle on a budget, it never changed. Even though we may have changed some things, we were always able to work within the budget and to be able to adjust accordingly. And again, I was very happy with the adjustments and the recommendations that I was given. I wouldn't recommend any other company. I have passed their name on. I have lots of people asking who did the renovations in my condo. I'm very pleased, and I would support them all the way. Hopefully you can see how happy I am with the renovations that were done in my condominium, and I truly cannot thank Andre and his entire team for absolutely everything that they did, how much of a pleasure it was working with them. And the only sadness in all of this is that I don't think I'm going to have another renovation, so I'm going to have to figure out another way to stay in touch with them. Thank you very much to all of you at the Sosna team.